Fab with Boat Motor Superstores in Palm Harbor, Florida. We're here on beautiful Lake Tarpon this morning. I'm showing you a 2007 25-foot World Cat. This boat has quite a few custom features, a custom tray here. Has a fold-down radar arch. This folds down and collapses so you can get it in a garage. This boat has been garage kept. Has a Garmin 4212. Has a North Star N2. Has a Navman VHF, a JBL stereo. Everything works on this boat. It's powered by twin Mercury 175 Verados 4-strokes. These motors are electric shift and they have 400 hours on them. They've been recently serviced. You have a large fish box here. Holds quite a bit. Large bait well here for your live bait. Has a rear boarding ladder, 3-step, folds up, folds down. Tackle storage throughout on this boat. Both sides. Tackle drawer here. Additional access to your batteries, 3 batteries. It has, on a 25-foot, this is an option, a custom option, they don't offer it, storage in the floor here. They only offer this normally on the 27. Up front, another large fish box. He has your isinglass plastic, snaps in, it's in excellent shape. Anchor lockers, little food cooler here. A large area in here. You can see all the access to the electronics are very nice on these World Cats. Fresh water system. All these hatches are locking, by the way. Now I'm going to show you how she runs. Thank you for watching.